All right. I don't know what's coming. I don't see anything. Oh, I hear it. It could be CP 7016. UP. Holy cow, they're always dark. Yeah. Going around the curve. Oh, I'm trying not to let my phone overheat again. Then we're in Horatio, guys. We moved over here. Saw a green signal. This is the coal train that was up on that bridge when we got to Brandon, where we're going through Gillum. I think it's Gillum. I didn't even get a chance to turn my brightness up fine. Hurry. I thought it was Casper too. Well, that's good to activate that early. Off that. Loaded. I never actually saw it. This was jump their diesel. Well, Horatio. Oh, yeah, that.